But am I complaining? No. And don't mind me waving my scissors around. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. It is time for us to dive into some more skincare today, or more specifically, skincare devices. I seem to be the poster child for skincare these days, but am I complaining? No. We would all love our skin to look fantastic. The guys over at Faradbeauty did reach out to me and they sent this thing that we're going to look at my way, so I have not paid for it. However, this is not a sponsored video. I'm still going to give it my first impressions based on my experience. It was perhaps 2 weeks ago. I received an email from Faradbeauty. They were asking if I would be interested in trying out one of their products. Obviously, I said yes, because we wouldn't be here right now. And that product that we're looking at today, and I have it open on my phone so I don't mispronounce, is the Faradbeauty LuxeHalo Feather Light LED Therapy Mask. It did not take long at all for it to be delivered. I haven't as yet opened it up. You can see it's still got the bubble wrap on it. It retails for 302 Australian dollars, and I will do the conversion as I usually do. Like I said before, it did not take long for it to arrive. From the initial conversation to them receiving the postal address, it took around a week, which is wild. Taking it out of the bubble wrap, it still has a protective plastic film over the top. And don't mind me waving my scissors around, which I do actually enjoy because it tells me this is new, it has not been opened, and it's completely sealed and hygienic. I really enjoy the case. It has like a soft, almost leather kind of feeling, but I don't believe it is leather. It's a hard case with that soft material. You can see the logo on the front. I'm not sure if you can see that there is embossing of the actual mask on the front. It's quite light, and it does actually, that's one of its disclaimers, and I will read out what this light mask is supposed to do. It does claim that it is feather light. It has a little magnetic tab right here, and there we have the actual mask itself. Ooh, and it's rubbery. You can see that it's pliable, it moves. The inside has like a soft felt lining. Within here we have the mask, we have the manual, charging cable, and the adapter. But before we take a look at that, what exactly is this supposed to do? Once again, I have it open on my phone just so I don't get anything wrong. The Faradbeauty LuxeHalo Featherlight LED Therapy Mask, which was 302 Australian dollars. It is Featherlight Comfort. It's only 3.3 ounces. Optimal 10 to 15 millimeter non-contact light distance. It's breathable bird's nest hollow structure. It has 4 LED light therapy waves, customizable DIY options. It is waterproof and dustproof for safety. They say that it's fast worldwide shipping, and let me tell you, like I said before, it was extremely quick. On the website itself, there are some little questions underneath the specs. One of them was, why next-gen Faradbeauty LuxeHalo LED mask? Their response, we developed this mask to address issues with traditional LED therapy masks. 1, outdated designs, limited options, high prices. 2, heavy, uncomfortable, tightly strapped to the face. I've tested quite a few light therapy devices, and that is correct. I don't like how tight it is on your face. And 3, uneven light distribution. We overcame challenges in material selection and structural integration. We believe this revolutionary product will attract attention and set a new standard in LED light therapy. We'll see about that. 4 therapeutic light waves includes red, blue, and yellow lights for versatile skincare treatments targeting various concerns. You can adjust the light intensity and automatic timer options, 10, 15, or 20 minutes for personalized skincare routines. And lastly, it's waterproof and dustproof, which provides durability, easy maintenance, suitable for all environments. So the light mask itself is supposedly an all-in-one skincare solution. You get visible results in 4 weeks with 10 to 15 minute sessions 3 to 5 times a week. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines, tightens and firms loose skin, soothes redness and inflammation, prevent and clear acne, improves skin tone and fade dark spots, enhances a healthy radiant complexion. sign me up. Okay, now we got that out of the way, we'll take a look at the mask itself. You can see it is very light and it is bendable. So that will have no issues molding to the shape of your face. It does have those eye guard things that I don't like, but it might be different on this one, who knows. Within the box, as I said before, we have the remote controller. We have the manual, which I'll have a look at very soon to see what those 4 light settings are and what they're supposed to do. And then we have the charging cable itself. There is no actual plug in here, as in a power adapter. So I'm pretty certain this is going to be a USB, USB-C type situation. And the straps to put it on, I believe, are also in here. But let's just find out for ourselves. The straps to pop it onto the face. I believe we have a little issue here. There is no cable to charge the mask. Okay, rather than reach back out to the company, which I'll do after I finish filming, I am not waiting for them to send out a charge cable. Luckily, I've got so many other devices. One of these have to work. Well, that fits. It's just a standard USB charging cable. That kind of looks like the end of a Samsung. We'll see if this starts charging. Seems to be charging. Fingers crossed this works. Okay, while that is charging and gets itself ready for us to use, we'll take a look at the user manual. More specifically, I just want to find out what the 4 light settings are supposed to do. So we've got the 4 right here on the page. The near infrared NIR 850 nm promotes deep tissue repair, enhances cellular energy production, accelerates wound healing and reduces pain and inflammation. The red light 630 nm stimulates collagen production, improves skin elasticity and texture, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Yellow light, which is 590 nm, reduces skin redness and inflammation, improves blood circulation, aids in fading dark spots, and evening out your skin tone. Then lastly, the light blue light, which is 465 nm, antibacterial properties, particularly effective against acne, also regulates circadian rhythms and increases alertness. It does state on here before use, remove makeup or anything that's on your face, cleanse your face, pat the skin dry with a towel. You may apply toner for basic hydration, but avoid applying photosensitive products or those containing whitening ingredients. There's some pretty easy 4 steps to use. Step 1, connect the power, wear and adjust to your comfort, power on, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. It will enter the default light therapy mode, which is red light. For custom modes, please refer to the detailed operation. And the last one is end the light therapy session. The device will automatically shut off, or you can end it earlier by pressing in the power for 3 seconds and it will shut it down. Post-use, after completing light therapy, you may proceed with your regular skincare routine. There are no contraindications or side effects. And the rest of the manual is some pretty standard stuff around care, maintenance, warnings, troubleshooting, and the like. Assembling the mask is pretty straightforward. It's got those Velcro-less Velcro, I don't even know what you call that, but it has some grip to it. All it is you slip it through the little tab, fold it over, and there you have it. Hold it in for 3 seconds. As you can see, it lights up. You can change the modes with the M button down the bottom, and then the intensity on the side, you see the little bars, can go up, and you can see it getting brighter. It does say that it starts with the default setting, which is the red. We're going to check each mode. Okay, so the red seems to be the only one that's working. Now, because the other 2 aren't working, pretty certain it's because of the cord, that this is not the cord that it should be with. I'm going to try some other cords to see if we can get them functioning. I have one that I think might work, and that's the one that I get footage from the camera off onto the computer, because that white cord are just to charge AirPods. All right, we will see if this does anything. There we have it. So it was the cord. The cord wasn't powerful enough. We have the blue, and then we have the yellow. We're going to stick with the red like we were originally going to do. It does fit straight onto your face. I like that it's moldable, and the eye tabs actually aren't that bad. There we have it on the face. You can see there's still a lot of space around the bottom of the mask. It covers my entire face. Nothing is actually sticking out. My entire face is bathed in the light, all the way down to my jaw. We're going to give this its 10-minute cycle. I'm going to pump it up. You can see 10 minutes are on the clock, and we'll be right back. Okay, we've got 4 minutes remaining on the clock. Now that I've got it on, it's been on my face for a while, there is a little bit of heat that it produces. Nothing alarming, like it's not burning my skin or anything, but just be mindful of that. The mask itself, however, is very comfortable. It's not been irritating my eyes, the eye guards, which I am very thankful for. They sit nice and comfortably on my skin, on my face. I don't feel any weight pulling down. There's no effect on my neck, whereas other masks unfortunately do tend to have that, and my computer is taking off, it seems. And the type of rubber, my skin has fully accepted it, so there's no irritation or anything like that.
A few moments later.
And there we have it. It has switched itself off. Do I feel instant effect? Obviously it wasn't designed, or it doesn't state or claim there's going to be instant visible effect. I actually quite like that. I thought it was very comfortable on the face. I like that it's malleable, and it's really not, there's no weight. You don't even feel it that it's on your face. I'm gonna get Adam to try this out and see what he thinks. But I'm a fan. I will link everything down below for you to check out if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you do, let me know your experience. We are going to keep using this, and we're going to see in 4 to 5 weeks time, we will do a follow-up part 2 to see if there are visible changes or improvements in my skin. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do all the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.